Melissa has received no email invites for the final round of dating and failed to find a connection with any of the male daters in previous rounds.
I've just kind of felt that I've never really been involved in the whole dating game itself. The final straw for me was not receiving any emails from the boys, which made me kind of think there's no point of wasting my time because obviously, clearly they're not interested, so there's no point trying to force something that's not there. And I think from there, I thought, OK, you know what, Melissa, this isn't the place for you to be anymore.
After 2 days and 3 rounds of dating, our daters finally get to choose the one person they would like to see in the light. Will looks really matter? Could 10 seconds of light destroy days of chemistry and bonding? Or will personality shine through?
I just want to go and get it over and done with now.
Okay.
So, wish me luck.
I wish you luck.
Firstly, Gemma and Danny chose to see each other in the light.
I guess I've got a bit of a fear more of what he'll think of me than what I think of him.
Hopefully I'm her type, I don't know, but it'd be nice to see her just to put a face to her name, really.
The daters are not permitted to talk during the light reveal and cannot see each other's reactions.
I didn't really know what to do, and just stood there like a lemon. I lost about 2 pounds in sweat, I reckon, while I was in there.
All your insecurities are there. You've got someone staring at you and you've got no idea how they're reacting.
I do like her, she's nice to look at, but she's not wowed me. As soon as the light went on to Gemma, I thought she was not massively like a girl that I'll go for, but she's defo fit, yeah.
Oh my God, please tell me.
He's so my type.
Really?
It really is a case of, I like his personality, likes Danny's looks, but I just don't think he'll like me.
From Ellie to Ryan, you are the chosen one. I want to see you in the light. Fancy it, Ellie?
Well done, mate. To be honest with you, that's what I expected anyway, so...
Like I said, it doesn't mean anything yet.
I've picked Ryan over Eddie because I'm kind of going with my heart. Eddie seemed to act like a bit of an idiot with Gemma in the date after mine.
Either I've bared my soul and I'm going to be shot to bits, or it pays off, in which case I'll be made.
I really don't know what to expect. Let's hope when the light comes on I see a handsome man with lovely curly hair.
My heart was going absolutely crazy.
My legs were shaking. I think I kept sort of swaying from side to side because I was just so nervous.
Not knowing what to do, I pulled a kind of little nervous, smiley face.
He wasn't obviously quite what I was expecting. The overall package, I guess it's not my type, and I'm not physically attracted to Ryan. And I really wanted to fancy him, but clearly, looks and stuff means more to me than I thought it did.
Finally, Eddie picked Ellie to see in the light.
I had to go with the girl who I felt I'd made the most connection with. Couldn't even breathe properly, my heart was pumping so fast. This is a guy who you've put second behind Ryan.
I was pleasantly surprised. I think most women probably would fancy Eddie because, you know, he's an attractive guy.
I was absolutely blown away by the difference in what I thought and what she actually was. At the end of the day, there's still two runners in the race, so she can only choose one. So it's who she's going to choose.
Is he your dad?
I'd go for him, yeah. I would go for him. So that's just made my life a whole lot more difficult now.
I don't know how I feel about the whole situation now. My head is telling me, you know, go with Eddie. But I'm thinking about Ryan, I'm thinking, you know, how I felt about him and how now I feel differently and what that means to me.
Coming up, who will meet up and who will be left broken-hearted?
I found something now that's worth fighting for.
Who's going to be left disappointed?
So far, Melissa has left the dating house after failing to connect with any of the male daters. And after seeing each other in the light, have looks given them a change of heart?
I think most women probably would fancy Eddie. The only reason I've got emotional about this is because I'm thinking about Ryan.
It's the moment of truth. If they're still interested in their partner, they will meet them in the drawing room. They will not know if their partner is already waiting for them, or if they will turn up at all. If they are no longer interested in dating, they will walk out of the front door, potentially leaving their partner behind.
I've been in kind of two frames of mind the whole way through it. All night, all I've been thinking is, do I risk potentially being sort of humiliated in him not turning up? But I guess everyone's sort of got a bit of a fear of rejection, and that's why kind of in the back of my head, I know I'll kind of kick myself, kind of, what if?
She's quite out there, she's quite noticeable, so I'm not sure if she's my type of girlfriend yet, I don't know, so I'm still a bit like that about it.
I was so scared, I didn't know where to look, I was pacing up and down, and I was just on my own for so long. It was just, oh, it was horrible, absolutely horrible.
I didn't think he was going to turn up.
Oh my God, I've been sitting here.
How you doing?
Oh,
You all right?
I'm actually shaking.
Shaking?
Yes.
I like the way Gemma looks. I can hold a conversation with her. I find her quite interesting, and she's nice to look at, so she's cool.
Thank God you're here, otherwise I think I would have actually died. It's another opportunity, and you kind of never know. But yeah, I'm happy that I went and met him. I think we've got quite a lot in common, so I think we'll definitely be seeing each other again.
I didn't manage to get a kiss in the diary, but I at least expect a peck on the lips this time.